Hello everyone, this is Tech20 and today we're going to be covering how to merge cells. So as you can see, we're going to go and start out with some data here. This is data you've been seeing over the last couple of videos. Just some dates, some amounts, and we're going to put that as savings amounts across the top. So we want this to be stretched across the A and the B right now. It's just lined to the A. So if you want to just merge and center that, you're just going to highlight both cells like so. Click on merge and center under alignment up in the ribbon. And then boom, you're done. Now, if you want to remove it, you just click it again. Now, if you do want to center it, you can merge it across, which basically means that it's merged, but it stays aligned. You can also merge the cells. So let me go ahead and undo that so you can see what that looks like. Merge cells. Does the same thing, but it does not move the data. If you need it moved, so let's go on merge cells again. So everything that's allowed down there. Now, if you need this aligned to the right, what you'll do is you can either just hit merge and center, highlight both. Sorry, I didn't do that. Highlight that, and then see how it's centered here. You'll use that under the alignment, align right, and it will align it to the right. It will align it to the left. And if we're making this a bigger cell, see how it always aligns to the bottom there? Well, if you need it aligned to the middle or to the top, you can do that as well. If you found this content helpful, please leave a like and please subscribe. Also, please feel free to check out one of my other videos on Excel. If there's anything you'd like to see me cover in the future, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you and have a great day.